Alright, question 47 from Practice Provincial B. Which distance below is the longest? You got 0.6 miles, 1,000 yards, 1 kilometer, and 900 meters. Now, to help us along, I'm going to include our unit conversion table from the data booklet. Alright. So what we kind of want to do in a question like this is convert everything to the same unit. Okay? So either we can convert everything to yards, or convert everything to meters, or convert everything to kilometers, but as long as they're all in the same unit. If they're all in the same unit, then we can figure out which one is actually going to be bigger. Because if they're all in the same unit, then you can ignore the unit and just look strictly at the number. So my preference in a question like this is going to be to convert everything into meters. Why meters? Well, you have a conversion for yards to meters, and we can convert miles to kilometers, and then kilometers to meters. Okay, kilometers to meters is a very simple conversion. We could choose to go write everything in kilometers as well. That would work out just fine, but I'll just stick with the metric standard of meters. Alright, so let's convert the 0.6 miles first. So 0.6 miles times, we want to get rid of the miles and be left with kilometers. Okay, and we'll multiply this by the conversion factor of the meters and kilometers. Okay, so I've set up my equation and I haven't put any of the conversion numbers in yet. This is just to show that when I do this, my miles cancel out, my kilometers cancel out, and I'm left with a unit of meters. Now let's put in our numbers. Well, we know that 1.609 kilometers is equivalent to 1 mile. We know that 1,000 meters is equivalent to 1 kilometer. So when we calculate this out, we'll get the following number. Okay, so 0.6 times 1.609 divided by 1 times 1,000. So this is 965.4 meters. Okay, so we immediately know that it's not going to be this one. This one's too small. Now let's convert our yards to meters. 1,000 yards multiplied by meters per yard. We get 0.9144 meters per 1 yard. My yards cancel out, and my calculation will get me 914.4 meters. So we know this and this are both smaller than 1 kilometer, and we know 900 meters is obviously smaller than 1 kilometer. Well, I guess I should convert the 1 kilometer to meters just to make it implicit or explicit, I guess. So 1 kilometer times 1,000 meters per 1 kilometer. Kilometers cancel out, so 1,000 meters. Alright, so this is 1,000 meters. 1,000 is bigger than all the other meter measurements, so our answer is going to be C. Let's take a look. 47, answer is C. So we're correct. So remember, convert everything to the same unit, whether it be meters, yards, kilometers, or miles. As long as they are in the same unit, then you can compare the numbers.